You can't trust nobody. Drink? I know. What you telling, Sly?
Welcome back to my establishment. Hi, I'm Shay. And welcome to Something Shae Said, where I'm Shay and this is Something I Said. So, today we will be installing my blonde wig. Y'all, this wig is really cute on me, okay? Like, really cute. This will be a very quick tutorial. I won't be doing all that talking. I'll be using grapeseed glue because I'm probably not gonna wear this for long, so I'm not gonna glue it down at all. But I'm about to braid my hair down and just slap this bad boy on. Be back later. Hi, so this is my finished results. This was not my best install. I'm gonna be honest now because I'm still cute though. So this video came about because there was a poll done on Twitter and on Instagram to see which hairstyle y'all would like to see next. And I decided between a braid out, a twist out, box braids on myself, or install my blonde wig. And install my blonde wig and do box braids were the top two. So the next video will be me doing box braids on myself, which will be done in about maybe like 2 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be posting some videos of this at the end. Okay, y'all, so we're back. We are bone straight. Okay, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Okay, so I actually kind of went back in and kind of reinstalled this because I wasn't liking how some of these things was rocking. So we are completely done. Absolutely, positively, completely done, girl. That's it for this video, and I got some more stuff coming for y'all. You're gonna like it. You might not like it, but you're gonna like it. Because why? I said so. But don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe to my channel.